Hello, kindergarten. It is Mrs. Merritt. Today we're going to do Module 1, Lesson 37. And our objective is to classify objects into two groups and count the objects, representing the greater number in various ways, and then order them from smallest to greatest, or smallest to largest. So, I would like you to pause me and then go grab something to write with and something to write on. We have a really fun activity today. All right, I am so glad you're back. So today I have this bag, and in this little bag there are a bunch of numbers, and we're going to pick a number, and we are going to represent it, and then we're going to be able to tell each other what one more is, what one less would be, okay? So, here we go. I am so excited for this. I've been waiting the whole module. Let's see what number comes out first. Does anyone know what number this is? 9. Very good. Let's count to 9 on our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, on your paper, I want you to write a 9, and then I want you to draw a 9 of something. Okay, so I am going to write a 9, and then I think I'm going to draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can we just count these to be sure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, listen, if I go too fast for you, feel free to pause me and then pick up where we left off. It's okay. So if you want to draw like some flowers, or maybe you want to draw a dragon and not just a simple shape, you can go ahead and do that with those numbers, but just pause me and then we'll pick up, okay? So no rush. Okay, so I have 9. Can you put up 9 fingers? Now, what's one more than 9? Does more mean I go up, or do I come back? I go up. Very good. So I need this other finger to come up. What is one more than 9? One more than 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, I need to figure out what one less is. I want you to use your picture. I want you to cross out 1, and then let's count how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 less than 9 is 8, and 1 more than 9 is 10. Okay, here is our next number. What number is this? 2. Very good. So we are going to draw a 2. And then I want you to draw 2 of something. Okay? I'm going to draw 2 squares this time. Look at 1, 2. Can you put up 2 fingers for me? What's 1 more than 2? 1 more means I need to add a finger. So 1 more than 2 is 1, 2, 3. And then what's 1 less than 2? Go to your picture, yep. Cross 1 out. And how many more do we have? Just 1. Great job. You guys are so good at this. So 1 more than 2 is 3, and 1 less than 2 is 1. 4. We have the number 4. Okay, so I'm going to write a 4 over here. And I just realized it's difficult for you to see my papers. I'm so sorry. So here, I'm going to write a 4. Is that better? Okay. And then I'm going to draw, I'm just going to draw 4 tally marks, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's start with one less this time. And let's do that one on our fingers. So we have 4, and one less means I take away 1. So when I take away 1, how many do I have left? 1 less than 4 is 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, I want you to add one more to your picture. Go ahead and add one more to your picture. What is 1 more than 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we talk about more, we're talking about a greater number. When we talk about less, we're talking about a smaller number. See how I added something to my picture? That bumped my number up. It made it greater. Good job. Are you ready for your next number? Look at it, silly with those eyes, but does anyone know this number? 8. So we are going to write an 8 on our paper. And then I think I want to draw triangles this time. I'm going to draw 8 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you just help me count to make sure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I like to count as I draw my objects because it helps me not only get better at knowing my numbers, but it also helps me stay on track and stay organized and focused. So let's start with one less. Let's cross one of our objects out, in this case, triangles. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 less than 8 is 7. Good job. Now, can you put 8 fingers up for me? And then more. So I'm going to take a finger away, right? No. When I'm talking about more, I need to add a finger. So 1 more than 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 less than 8 is 7. 1 more than 8 is 9. Good job. We have about 3 more numbers in this bag. Talk about 3 more numbers. What number is this? 3. I'm gonna make a 3. And I think I want to draw 3 flowers this time. So I'm going to pause you so I don't waste our time together. And then I'm going to unpause when all my 3 flowers are drawn, okay? You go ahead and you draw your 3 objects too while we pause. Okay, so I drew 1, 2, 3 flowers. And although it makes me sad, I'm going to have to cross one of them out because I want to figure out what 1 less is. So 1 less than 3 is 1, 2. Good job. And then put up 3 fingers. Add 1 more finger. 1 more than 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to do 2 more numbers together. 6. So we'll write a 6. And then let's all draw the same thing this time. What if we drew squares? Let's draw 6 squares together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. Now, I want you to add one more. So, am I going to X one out or draw another one? I'm going to draw another one. Very good. And then how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more than 6 is 7. Now, let's figure out what one less is. Let's put up 6. And I add a finger, right? To figure out what's less? No! I take one away. How many fingers am I holding up now? 5. I am holding up 5 fingers. 1 less than 6 is 5. Okay, here's our last number. 5! That was crazy how it worked out. So I'm going to draw 5. And then I think I want to draw butterflies. Can you draw something creative too? 5 of something? I'm going to pause you so I don't waste our time together again. 1 second. So here are my 5 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did you draw? That's so cool. I love your creativity. So we have 5. Now I want to figure out what's one less. So do I draw another one or take one away? I take one away. And how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 less than 5 is 4. Then let's do one more than 5. So I have 5, add 1, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. Now, your challenge for your exit ticket today is you're going to need to put those numbers in order from least to greatest or smallest to largest, okay? So that is one of your, it's going to say which number is the greatest. You're going to have to figure that out and order those numbers. I loved that we could just pick random numbers out of our bag today and represent them with pictures. That was so much fun. We had a great time drawing and we were learning math. You did an awesome job figuring out what one more was, what one less is. I want you to remember, when we want more of something, we have to get it. So we have to add. When we say one less, we don't want as much of it, and we're taking it away. So more means get, less means take. I cannot wait to see your exit tickets and all that you have shown me, all that you have learned today about smallest to greatest and putting those numbers in order. Great job, and I will see you tomorrow.